Good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. How are you today? I am good, ma'am. Thank you. Sit down, please. Be quiet, please. Listen to me, please. Did you do your homework? Yes, I did my homework. Great. Let's check it together. May I come in? I'm sorry, I'm late. It's okay. Can I ask a question? Of course, you can ask a question. I don't understand this maths problem. No problem. I will help you with it. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. What are we learning today? Today, we are going to learn about animals. I love animals. That's great to hear. Can I clean the board, please? What page are we on? Open your book at page 70. Do the exercises. Can I share a fun fact? Sure, go ahead. Did you know a group of crows is called a murmur? Well, that's interesting. Pay attention, everyone. I'm listening, teacher. Good manners are important. Please and thank you, right? That is right. I helped my friends yesterday. This is very kind of you. Can I drink water? Yes, you can. What's your favorite subject? I like English. Can we read a story today? Of course, we can read a story now. I love story time. It is a great way to learn. I want to be a teacher like you when I grow up. This is a wonderful dream. I will work hard for it. I believe in you. Thank you, teacher, for being the best teacher.